The ringing symbolizes awakening, a reminder to leave distractions outside before entering the divine space. The sound clears negative energy and harmonizes thought and breath. Modern neuroscience agrees, such frequencies trigger alpha waves, promoting mental balance and mindfulness. Temples used sound long before therapy was defined. Next time you hear a bell, pause. Feel the vibration. It's not just sound. It's awareness echoing through your soul. Narrated in my own voice. Crafted by Latha.